Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So you guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make egg roll and buns without egg. Okay, and if you want to see that, sit back and let's move right into today's video. For today's recipe, we need all-purpose flour, baking powder, sugar, milk powder, butter. You can also use margarine. Mix until it is well combined. At this point, before you add water, you can go ahead and add egg, okay? But for this recipe, I'm not gonna include egg to this, okay? But it's your choice, you can do that if you want to mix yours. But I want to show you how I achieve this egg roll and buns without adding egg in this dough, okay? Yeah, so keep mixing. Here is our cooked egg for the egg roll, and our dough is ready to start molding, okay? So the first thing I do is to dip my hand in vegetable oil, then cut out the size of the dough that I'll be using for the egg roll, flatten it, then I will now take my egg and fold it just like so, okay? The reason why I use oil is to loosen the sticky of the dough. If you can see, the dough looks a bit sticky. So if you are not okay with the oil, you can also use flour for this, okay? I love it when I use oil. I love the smoothness of it. So I enjoy using oil for molding of this, okay? You can also use flour. So you guys keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, like and share this video. Keep watching guys. God bless you. Okay guys, this is what remain after molding out our egg rolls. Okay, this is our egg rolls on this tray. Okay, and this is the remaining one. So I'm out of egg now. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mold this one for buns. Okay, yeah, so keep watching, guys.